Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to hide desktop icons on your homepage of your desktop. So this is how your computer looks like right now. So we're going to right click anywhere and you're going to view, and as you can see in the last option there is show desktop icons, and you're going to uncheck that. As you can see, your icons are gone. So we can add them back like that. Just check it again and we can increase the size, make them small. So if you still want them but want them small, you can still make them small. So that's how we're going to hide your desktop icons. And if you want to know how we added this clock winget, click the video that's on screen right now.